From the city, it's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but
hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and today I am giving you a little tour of my living room for summer. I told you guys I was doing a tropical or an urban jungle theme this year, and for this room, you guys know I decorate in black and white, and I wanted to keep the room the same colors that I always use, but I did add just a pop of pink in one of the floral arrangements. So let me take you around and just show you the things that I've added that are a little different from when I last showed you the living room. Of the living room for summer. Again, I told you that I wanted to have a tropical look in here as well, but not so in your face tropical. So I showed you guys this DIY vase that I did. It's just a vase that I picked up from the Goodwill, and I had some styrofoam balls that I hot glued and painted black along with the vase, and I just love the aesthetic of the greenery here in the vase. So very tropical in a black and white setting. And then on the couch, I added new pillows. These zebra print pillows I showed you guys in a haul earlier this year. They are very high quality. They came from Amazon. So if you are interested, they will be linked in my Amazon store, so you can go check them out if you want to purchase those. I also added my throw that I picked up from Z Gallery that has the crocodile print, if you can see that. Not the best quality, I must say. I'm a little disappointed in Z Gallery on that one, but I did not return it as yet. But this is how it's looking. The kitchen I still have to work on, so it is the same. I want to do some type of tropical floral arrangement on the table down the center, so we shall see. That lamp is still the same. Over here, everything's the same. I just switched out the floral here on this drink pedestal to also incorporate some greenery. Everything over here stayed the same. On this side of the room, I added these pillows that I picked up from Z Gallery, again on clearance. And of course, you cannot have a tropical theme without lizards, right? So this is my little grandson's contribution to my to my decor theme for summer. But this is how this side looks. This is my DIY vase that I did that was inspired by the one from CB2, as I showed you earlier. This one I just added some tropical plants on the pink color. These florals all came from Dollar Tree. The larger one came from Michael's. Not Michael's, Hobby Lobby. These two in the back came from Hobby Lobby. This one came from Amazon. This one came from Hobby Lobby. That one also came from Hobby Lobby. The vase again is a DIY, and I love how it turned out. And then the other things I keep on my credenza year round. So yeah, this is how my living room is looking for summer. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Please give the video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And today's video is part of the Glam Elegant Living Society. And this collaboration is hosted by Allie from Glam Elegant Living. She does this collab seasonally. This is the summer edition. Her co-hosts are Antoinette from Antoinette Decorating, Petalist Bless from Petalist Bless DIY, and Candy by DIY Designs with CCW, and myself, Sheryl, with iStylEMYSTYLE. So I hope you have enjoyed today's home tour, and I will leave a list of the ladies' channels down below. Make sure you go check them out. They have tons of home decor inspiration. You are sure to get lots of tips for your summer decorating. And I will leave a link of the playlist of all the participants so you can go check out everyone else's videos as well. And if you are not yet a part of the iStylEMYSTYLE family, I would so love it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, become a member of the family. I have a lot more summer decorating videos coming up that I think you will enjoy, and I hope to see you in the next one.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's